Hi guys, again welcome to my channel. This is Veera Reddy. Today I will demonstrate about the G-Sharp pattern 3, part 3. Yeah, what type of pattern we can show in the I will update in the notepad. I will show what program I will print in console command prompt. This is the pattern. I will write write a code for this pattern, write a logic for this pattern. How can we write? Please show my video easily. I can tell easily and step by step manner. This is the pattern 3. Every program having this main method in C#. Every program will start with the debugging in this main method only. Yeah, we can using like 1 2 3 4 5. How can we write? How can we print 1 2 3 4 5, guys? Yeah, you can print I and I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to 5, I plus plus. Firstly, we can print the only one line. After that, I can show how to print the second line, third line, fourth line, fifth line easily. So how can we print 1 2 3 4 5? Yeah, that's simple, guys. Basically, we can show in this picture 1 2 3 4 5. This means increment to 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3. This means line by line in this was the increment. Like initially we are having the 1, so that's the reason we are using the int I is equal to 1. The starting position also starts with 1, and second position. And so how many members were there in this pattern? 5 members was there, so that's the reason I can use the I less than or equal to 5. This means I plus plus. I plus plus means I value is incrementing. Like for suppose you can take the I value is equal to 1. After that you can going to the through 2. After that 3. After that 4. After that 5. So that's the reason I can using I plus plus. So many things was there. I minus minus was also there. I can tell that in the fifth pattern or sixth pattern, I think so. Please wait for that, guys. You can print first line. You can write like this: console dot write line of I. What's the meaning of I? What's the value inside the I? Basically, I is equal to 1 initially, so that's the reason we can't got the 1. After that you can go through this incrementing. I plus plus means I value is equal to 2 less than or equal to 5. Its condition true. Again it comes to this right line method. You can inside the right line method we are having the 2 I value. I value this time is 2. You can print the 2. Again go to this line. This is the whole process, guys. Let me check what's will happening in this command prompt. Control F5. We can got the 1 2 3 4 5, but we can got these lines in vertically, horizontally, vertically. We can got the horizontally, so that's the reason we can use the control dot right method. What is the difference between the control dot right and console dot right line? I will tell that both the difference between the console dot right and console dot right line in the C# videos. If you want any doubts, please go and check my videos on C Sharp, C Sharp by Veera Reddy videos. You can get some clarity on that one. Yeah, guys, here we go. We can see this same output 1 2 3 4 5. Same output 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, guys. After that, we are having the same lines, same line of four, same lines. 4 lines was there. Again, duplicate same line of four duplicate is 4 lines of code is there. How can we print like? How can we print? Simple, guys. This is very basic pattern for the senior developers, I think. But yeah, but whoever starts with the basic programmer, whoever starts with the patterns for the first time, this is somehow difficult. But don't worry, guys. I will tell in step-by-step manner. You can print the all 5 lines of code. We can use the second for loop also. J less than or equal to 5, j plus plus. Here we go. Control Z. Can press Control Z. Control. I can't see the laptop keyboard. Console dot right line off. Here what's the you can print the j value. Why? Because of I will tell console dot right line. Right line means show the data only one line. Right line means break the line and print the new line. This is the difference between the console dot right line console dot right method. Here we can print the j. Why? Because of basically every program in the C Sharp it starts with the main method. The breakpoint which comes with this loop. In this loop we are having the int I is equal to 1. It's I is equal to 1. Yeah, you can store the I value in one I value in int value in I variable. After that in this one I is equal to initially 1. That's the reason here we got the 1 less than or equal to 5. Its condition is true, guys. This loop is true and comes to this loop initially into j is equal to 1. J value will int value will store in j variable. J is 1. J is equal to 1. Here is a j value is 1 less than or equal to 5. Its condition again true, guys. It comes to this line. The initially j is equal to 1. That's the reason we can got the j is equal in this console dot right line we can print the j is equal to 1. Yeah, you can got the 1. After that again this loop again go to this loop j plus plus. J value is incrementing to 2 less than or equal to 5 is condition true. Again we print the 2 value. Again go to this j plus plus. Again j value is incrementing 3 less than or equal to 5. It's again print the 3 value. Go to this loop again j plus plus. Again go to this 4 j value is incrementing 4. 4 less than or equal to 5. Again condition is true. Print the print the j value. Again go to this loop j plus plus. This time j value is equal to 5. 5 less than or equal to 5 is again condition true, guys. Why? Because of less than or equal to means j value is less than or equal to less than అయినా ఉండొచ్చు equal to అయినా ఉండొచ్చు, guys. Again print this j value again incrementing 6 at this time. 6 less than or equal to 5. Its condition false, guys. Goes to this line and execute the again go to this line j I plus plus, again I value is 2, condition true, again comes to this process, whole process is repeating up to we got this pattern. Here we go. Wait guys, I can't run this program, so that's the reason I can't get the proper output. Control F5. Here we go, we can got the same output what we want. So that's it guys. Again I will meet the another, I will show the how to print the another pattern also. So many patterns are there in C#. If you want to get the patterns step by step, among 400 or 600 patterns was there in app. This app is available in Play Store. You can easily get this. Go to this Play Store and search it for the C# patterns. C# patterns. We can get the app easily and download it and please and do daily one or two patterns for incrementing your thinking capability and problem solving skills. So that's the reason I will added this series also for the beginners, whoever want to improve logical thinking and problem solving skills. Yeah, thank you guys, thank you for watching my videos. Please suggest how to how to how was my voice was there, how was my English was, how can I improve my English and how can I video, how was going on my video and so many things was please suggest, please like and do subscribe. Thank you.